Welcome back in your e-learning classes, which is arranged by Bardwan Model School. And again, I am Manushi ma'am, taking your KG mathematics class. So today we will learn again multiplication table. Last 2 days or 2 videos, we have learned ascending numbers. Okay, and I hope you already practiced about these ascending numbers. Okay, and hope you also multiplication table also you have read and written also. So let's start. Today is our multiplication table of 4. So come and look at here. So as you know, this is the multiplication table and this X symbol is the multiplication symbol of represent this X symbol, you know. So start. We have already read it. 1, table of 1, multiplication table of 2, last 3, and today we will start multiplication table of 4. So let's start. 4 ones are 4, 4 twos are 8, 4 threes are 12, 4 fours are 16, 4 fives are 20, 4 6 are 24, 4 sevens are 28, 4 eights are 32, 4 nines are 36, and 4 tens are 40. Okay, we will repeat again and say with me. 4 ones are 4, 4 twos are 8, 4 threes are 12, 4 fours are 16, 4 fives are 20, 4 six are 24, 4 sevens are 28, 4 eights are 32, 4 nines are 36, 4 tens are 40. Okay, now writing time. So you have already read it and written also, but again I am showing this. Suppose you will write table of 4. How to write? You know already, but again I am writing. 4 multiplied by 1 is equal to 4. So 4 ones are 4. 4 multiplied by 2 is equal to 4 twos are 8. 4 multiplied by 3 is equal to 12. So 4 threes are 12. 4 multiplied by 4 is equal to 16. So 4 fours are 16. 4 multiplied by 5 is equal to 20. So 4 fives are 20. 4 multiplied by 6 is equal to 24. So 4 6 are 24. 4 sevens are 28. 4 multiplied by 7 is equal to 28. So 4 7 are 28. 4 multiplied by 8 is equal to 32. So 4 8s are 32. 4 multiplied by 9 is equal to 36. So 4 9s are 36. 4 multiplied by 10 is equal to 40. So 4 tens are 40. Okay. So this is the writing process. Some of you are, when you will write this table, then you will write this X symbol like this, like this, like this. No, these are wrong. These are wrong. Multiply symbol is this X symbol. It is the symbol of multiplication. Okay. So if you have write like this symbol, these are all are incorrect. These are wrong. Only this type of symbol, this X symbol is correct. So when you will write the multiplication table, 4, this X symbol, this because this is the symbol. So 4 multiplied by 1 is equal to 4. You have to write like this. Nothing this type, nothing this, no need to like this. Okay. You will write at least you try to write this, and you have to write this. Okay, so you will practice, and you need more practice. Again, I have I will say that first you learn this. Okay, this multiplication table, when we are growing this 1 is easy, but 2 is tough, 3 more tough, 4 again more tough. So when we growing these numbers, or growing these numbers, so it will be tough, or sometimes it will be toughest. Okay, so you will learn. After that you will try to memorize this, and again, and after that you will try to write. Okay, so, and after writing you have to check it, that it will be correct or wrong. If it is correct, then okay, you will practice again, and if it is be wrong, then you have to correct in have to check it and read this again. After that you will write. Okay, so ultimate, you have to practice, practice and practice. If you not practice this, you will be forget to write. Okay, so you will practice at your home this multiplication table of 4, and also 1 2 3 4 you have to write regularly, read and write. Okay, so next day we will read something more or something new. Okay, so read and stay good at your home. Bye.